passenger jet battles strong crosswinds during landing. The aircraft sways and struggles against the wind, but the pilots stay in control. A tense approach and a hard-earned touchdown. Cockpit view of a landing at St. Barthélemy Airport, one of the world's most dangerous runways. With hills ahead and the beach just beyond the strip, this approach demands precision and nerves of steel. There's no margin for error here. A Turkish Airlines passenger jet attempts a windy landing. The plane touches down at an angle due to strong crosswinds, but the pilot quickly corrects it with skillful control. A challenging approach turns into a smooth and successful landing. The first ever Boeing 787 landing in Antarctica, a historic moment. Touching down on a snow-covered runway, this Dreamliner makes aviation history in one of the most remote and extreme environments on Earth. A rare sight and a true milestone in polar aviation. Landing at Courchevel Airport, one of the most dangerous in the world. With its short, sloped runway and alpine terrain, even the slightest mistake can have serious consequences. This jet overshoots the runway and slides off the edge. A harsh reminder of how unforgiving this airport can be.